Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to clean the C drive in Windows 11. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. In the search bar, type Disk Cleanup. You should see the Disk Cleanup app appear in the results. Click on it to open. A small window will appear asking you to select a drive. Choose the C drive from the drop-down menu, then click OK. Windows will take a few seconds to scan your drive and calculate how much space you can free up. When the scan is finished, you will see a list of file types that can be deleted. This might include temporary files, system cache, and files in the recycle bin. You can click on each option to see a short description of what it is. Check the boxes for the items you want to remove. If you are not sure about something, you can leave it unchecked. At the bottom right, click OK to confirm. Windows will ask if you are sure you want to delete these files permanently. Click Delete Files to continue. The cleanup process will start. Depending on the amount of data, this can take a few seconds to a few minutes. When it is done, the disk cleanup window will close. You have now cleared unnecessary files from your C drive, which can help free up space and improve your computer's performance. Thanks for watching.